ITC is a well-established family-run company celebrating 25 years this year. We're based in Belgium. We deliver to offshore, subsea, mobile services incorporating our rental equipment. We have in-house design, engineering, machining and fabrication. We can design, build and manufacture anything hydraulic from start to finish. And we can service, repair, refurbish anything hydraulic, electrical or mechanical. Our rentals are a real focus. We have a wide range of reelers, HPUs, flushing skids, combi reelers, test equipment, casing jack, shear. All of these products can be delivered around the globe. We have a wide range of hoses, components and fittings, and we are the Scottish distributor for span gauges. And we've got specialised hydraulic and electrical technicians who can service or repair, and this can be done in-house, on-site, offshore, pretty much anywhere.
There's a big piece of kit behind you. Tell us a bit about that new combi reeler.
Okay, so our combi reeler, this is something that Ian Clark, our director, designed, and it's unique to ITC. So it's your traditional reeler, your HPU and your control panel all in one compact unit. Everyone in the industry will appreciate that deck space, platform space is always a huge ongoing issue, so our combi reeler has proven to be extremely popular. It not only comes with a hugely reduced footprint, it's reduced personnel, reduced risk, ultimately reduced cost. We have an extensive fleet of 22s, 30s and 55 kilowatts.
Okay, excellent. There's a lot of kind of graffiti on the combi reeler. Tell us why there's all these signatures.
Okay, so we are running a competition which will be a luxurious night's dinner, bed and breakfast, Meldrum House Hotel. When we put the idea to Ian Clark, our technical director, that we were going to get people to come and sign his brand newly finished, painted combi, he wasn't overly happy about this idea, but we've assured him that it's all going to wipe off.